What's up, my soon-to-be ninjas? It is I, your fearless and genius leader, and I just wanted to go over this new training module concept that we're starting off. So I'm just going to jump right in, and I'm going to create this show me how video that is going to go right here. So this is a generic module. This is day 0, and this whole module is just basically intended to get you to understand the new format of these training modules that I'm going to create so that you can understand the format in which each training module is going to be presented. Each training module is actually going to start off with this template right here. So from this template, we're going to build every single day of training. And you can just understand, we'll quickly go through this. You can just understand every single module is going to start with this gatekeeper condition to check to see if you're not unsubscribed. If you're not unsubscribed, I'm going to give you this content. If you are unsubscribed from this bot, I'm just going to tell you you're unsubscribed. Then from there, we're going to have an actions group that's just going to set a custom field that says what training module you're actually on. This one is module 0, and it's going to track what step that you are in this current module. So I'm going to set that step to 0 at the beginning of every module. And then I'm going to deliver you the welcome message for this particular module. This welcome message will tell you, it will reiterate what module you're on and what the purpose of this module is, what we're going to do in this module. So you can see this particular welcome message is just giving you messages about this module, and it's going in and telling you everything about this module. This welcome message is literally just telling you what you should expect to find in every one of these modules. It's telling you that you should expect to find this welcome message at the beginning of the module that explains the high-level concept. The high-level concept of this module is to literally just explain to you how these new modules are going to be presented to you. And then on that welcome message, you're going to have always these 4 options. You can build this module, you can explore this module, you can show me how, or you can skip this module. If you click build this module, it is going to take you through a step-by-step process just like this that will go in and show you exactly how to build the actual module that you would be presented if you click explore this module. So if you click explore this module, that's going to take you to the actual content for this particular module. Most of the time, that's going to be content, videos mixed with actual examples that show the concept that I'm training you or teaching you about in action inside this module. So if I'm trying to teach you about conditional logic in this module, you're going to get some content that explains to you conditional logic, how to implement conditional logic, and an example of conditional logic at work. So if you click build this module, it's just going to take you through, and it's going to step by step show you every component that's inside this actual module. So you'll go through and be able to build every single component. If you click show me how, that is just going to skip. That's how you got to this video right here. You click show me how, and that just skips the entire module and basically goes and takes the module once it's completely finished, and it just goes through and actually focuses nothing more than on the module itself and the high level concept, and walks you through that high level concept and shows you the flow and the actual working example. If you click skip to next module, that is going to just automatically skip this module and put you into the very next module automatically, okay? So at the end, if you go to build this module, like I said, it's just going to take you through a step-by-step process and show you how to recreate this module. Once you get to the end of build this module, you'll have the option to either go back and explore this module, which if you go back and explore this module, that will take you back to the actual content module, the same place that if you were to hit explore this module. So they're going to route you to the same place. They both route you right here. If you click on explore this module here, it's routing you here. If you click on explore this module over here, it's routing you here. Also, whenever you get to the end of the show me how, when you finish watching this video, it's also going to take you to a screen where you can explore this module, which will take you right back to the module itself. Now, you'll also have the option to go to the next module, which will do the exact same thing. it will send you directly to the next module, or you'll have the option to continue tomorrow, which means tomorrow you will be presented with the very next module at the same time that you were presented with this module just tomorrow, okay? At the end of explore this module, when you finish exploring this module, you'll have the option to redo this module now. This is the only place you will ever see this option. This option will take you all the way back to the starting step of this module, okay? You can go to the next module. That will do the exact same thing. That will just take you directly in right now to the very next module. You can continue tomorrow, which will start the very next module tomorrow at the same time that this module started, or you can retry the same module tomorrow, which will put you back in at the starting step of this particular module just tomorrow at the same time that this module started today. Now, if you choose Show Me How, then that's once you're going to get this video, the same video that you're watching right now. You're going to get this type of video for this module that's just a really fast-paced, really high level to make you understand that everything that's happening here. When you're finished watching that video, you're going to be presented with 4 options where you can explore this module. That will take you into the actual module route itself. Remember, at the end of that module route, that's the only place where you can redo this module now and go back to the starting step to be able to get these other options here, okay? So you'll have that option. You'll have the option to go to the next module, which will obviously do the same as the other ones, put you in the very next module right here, right now. You can continue tomorrow, right? You'll be able to actually continue tomorrow, continue with the next module just tomorrow at the same time that this module started, or you'll be able to choose to go in and build this module, which will take you to this build this module, the same place that this build this module takes you to on the welcome session. All right, so that's exactly the new format of these training sessions. So I just wanted to actually get your feedback. I wanted to make sure that you understood exactly what the format was going to be for these and see what you actually thought about these new training modules. So this is the end of this Show Me How, because we went over every single thing in this actual module. So it's a really fast, high level. So hopefully now you understand the new format.